Hello and welcome to this OTISS tutorial on loading a CAD drawing. You've been supplied with a CAD drawing containing a site plan. During the survey you want to be able to plot trees directly onto the drawing. OTISS accepts both the DWG and DXF CAD formats. But there's a few things you need to know first. Architects often provide drawings which are not really suitable for surveys. The plan has been rotated, often to make it print better. They've added legend boxes or detailed inset diagrams. There's a lot of unnecessary layers and details, or they've included objects situated well away from the main site. Such drawings are absolutely no use for surveying. Ask for a simple, uncluttered drawing of the original site, with north at the top, ideally with coordinates based on the Ordnance Survey grid system, and all unnecessary objects deleted or hidden. Then you need to know, is the drawing unit a metre or millimetres? All the Ordnance Survey and most architects provide drawings based on metres, but occasionally you will get one that's in millimetres. Then you need to know, has the CAD drawing been georeferenced? The Ordnance Survey and most architects will supply you with CAD drawings whereby the XY coordinates of the drawing match the GPS easting and northing values. This is ideal. Load these drawings into OTISS and select the map coordinate system to use, usually the Ordnance Survey system. Then you can use GPS while you're surveying, you can overlay the site map onto Google, and you can swap between the drawing and the maps while you're surveying. If you've got a non-georeferenced map, it just has simple XY coordinates. You can still load these into OTISS and you select the map coordinates as plan XY. But you will not be able to use GPS while you're surveying, nor can you use this map with Google Maps or OpenStreetMap, but you'll still be able to plot trees directly onto the drawing. If the image contains clearly marked points with known grid references, then you can overcome these drawbacks by georeferencing the drawing and do this before you load the drawing into OTISS. We recommend that you use the CAD application to move or reposition the drawing so that the XY coordinates match the easting and northing values. Then you load the fully georeferenced drawing into OTISS. So let's get down to it. You go to the Sites page, press the Add Site button, select the CAD drawing and then load the DXF file. Wait for the CAD drawing to be loaded and then enter a site name and details and finally select a survey type. So let's see how that works in practice. So I'm here on the Sites page, I press the Add Site button, say that I've got a CAD drawing, select the CAD drawing that I need to use, select the map coordinate system as either plan or Ordnance Survey, and press the Upload button. So this can take a minute or two because the OTISS will upload the CAD file and then process it into a map that can be used for surveying. Okay, that's all done. I can add in some more details and then select what type of survey I want to do and press save. So that's all finished. Let's check that it's been done correctly. If I go to the surveys page, I can see I've got a survey for that site type and the status is active, and if I look at the bottom here I can see that I've been assigned to carry out that survey. So now let's look at it on the map. Oh, that looks good. So let's overlay that map on top of Google. And that looks quite good. I can hide the map and show it again, and that seems to match up correctly. So that looks all very good. So now I've done everything. I can go to my mobile device, open the survey app, do a check online, download the survey and start surveying. There's a couple of things that can happen to go wrong. The most common error is that it says the drawing area is too large. And this is usually because the architects have left extra objects scattered around the drawing, which make the drawing area seem very big. So if this happens, open your CAD application, do a select all objects and then zoom to selection. You can see that the main site is here, but there's also other objects scattered around the drawing, and these make the area look very, very big. So OTISS thinks this drawing area is hundreds of miles across, and our software cannot decide which objects to keep and which ones to ignore. So the solution is to use your CAD application to find and remove or hide all the objects that are not part of the main site, and then try again with the new drawing. Very occasionally you may get an error saying the CAD file is too complicated. This is because the CAD drawing has too many AutoCAD features and our software is not able to deal with them. So the solution is to use your CAD application to make the drawing simpler. So remove the complicated features, remove unnecessary layers, and then try it again. Finally, if you get an updated drawing from the architect when you've already started surveying, there's no need to create a new site and new survey. Press the Manage Maps button, select the drawing and press Edit, find a new file and press Save to load the updated drawing. Then on your mobile device just sync the survey and continue surveying. We hope that you found this tutorial useful. See our website for more help and tutorials.